Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Knox County in west central Illinois, western Marshall County in central Illinois, northern Peoria County in central Illinois, southeastern Stark County in north central Illinois, northwestern Woodford County in central Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elmwood and moving northeast at 70 miles per hour.
Holy cow!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Holy cow! It's a fast mover.
Spring Bay, Rome, Chillicothe,
Oh crap, forgot about KCC 64.
67 and 85.
Blundridge, Hopewell, Zenobia, low points at Marshall County Airport. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 67 and 85. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio.